Welcome to the future of confectionery production, where crystal-clear gelatin flows through a high-tech, sterile laboratory, illuminated by soft blue ambient lighting for perfection. Watch as the base gelatin, pure and transparent as crystal, pours into the mixing chamber, catching the light with stunning refraction in this mesmerizing initial stage. The liquid foundation swirls gently, its surface creating hypnotic ripples that reflect the precision and cleanliness of our state-of-the-art manufacturing environment and advanced chemical processes. Precision nozzles descend into position, ready to deliver concentrated bursts of color that will transform this transparent base into a vibrant masterpiece of modern candy engineering. A burst of neon pink pigment enters the mixture, blooming slowly like an ethereal flower, creating beautiful clouds of color that dance within the crystal-clear gelatin solution. Next, electric blue is introduced, swirling and intertwining with the pink, to create a cosmic visual effect that resembles a nebula captured within a glass chamber. The addition of bright yellow droplets brings a sharp contrast, completing the palette and ensuring each gummy will possess a depth of color that is truly surreal. From above, the mixing vat becomes a canvas of shifting marble patterns, where every second brings a new and satisfying arrangement of vibrant, high-contrast neon pigments. A sophisticated robotic arm lowers its spiral whisk into the heart of the mixture, ready to begin the delicate process of blending these colors into perfect gradients. The whisk turns with rhythmic grace, drawing the pigments into a perfect spiral that is as satisfying to watch as it is essential for the final product. Observe the thick, viscous texture of the gelatin as the neon hues blend seamlessly, showcasing the high-fidelity material physics that define our unique 3D animation style. The entire station operates with quiet efficiency, the low hum of electric motors signaling the successful infusion of pigments into our high-quality, crystal-clear gelatin base today. This first step, the synthesis of crystal gelatin and the infusion of pigments, sets the stage for a production process that merges science with culinary art perfectly. With the colors perfectly blended, the vibrant solution is pumped through illuminated tubes, moving steadily toward the next stage of our multi-layered manufacturing journey through the factory. Every detail matters, as air bubbles are meticulously filtered out to ensure that the final gummy candy is flawless, transparent, and possesses a satisfyingly smooth internal structure. As the mixing cycle concludes, the robotic arm retracts with total precision, leaving behind a perfectly homogenized mixture ready for the molding process that lies just ahead. The futuristic aesthetic of our facility reflects the purity of our ingredients, where every surface is polished to a mirror finish to maintain the highest production standards. Digital monitors track the molecular stability in real time, ensuring the gelatin reaches the optimal temperature for pouring, which is crucial for achieving that perfect, iconic gummy bounce. As the laboratory lights shift, we prepare to move from the preparation phase into the precise world of multi-layer molding and rapid cooling on the assembly line. Step 2 begins on the stainless steel conveyor belt, where empty square molds move in perfect synchronization, ready to receive their first layer of colorful, surreal gummy liquid. The first layer of transparent red gelatin is dispensed with incredible accuracy, filling the base of each mold to the exact milligram required for a consistent product. Sensors verify the fill level of every single mold, flashing green in a rhythmic pattern that confirms our commitment to precision at every step of the process. The molds then enter a rapid cooling tunnel, where a fine mist of cold air begins the solidification process, setting the first layer in record time for layering. Watch the surface of the red gelatin transform from a shimmering liquid into a firm, shiny gel, providing a stable foundation for the next vibrant layer of color. Inside the chamber, sub-zero temperatures work their magic, with the blue glow of cooling elements highlighting the frost that accumulates on the high-grade stainless steel surfaces. Emerging from the cold, the red layer is now perfectly set. Its semi-transparent surface is flat and ready to bond with the next layer in this multi-tiered design. The second layer, a vibrant neon green, is poured directly onto the red. The interface between the two colors is incredibly sharp, with no bleeding or mixing occurring. See how the green liquid spreads evenly, its surface tension creating a smooth, glassy finish as it covers the red base in one fluid and highly satisfying motion. Another trip through the cooling zone follows, where swirling vapor indicates the intense cold required to bond these layers together into a single, cohesive, multicolored gummy block. The belt moves steadily, carrying hundreds of two-layered candy blocks. Each one is a testament to the repetitive beauty of automated manufacturing and high-end 3D visual design. A robotic arm performs a quick firmness test, ensuring the layers have bonded correctly before the final pour, maintaining the integrity of our complex, multi-layered candy structure. Finally, the third layer of electric purple is added, completing the three-tier color stack. The result is a stunning vertical gradient of red, green, and purple hues. A macro view reveals the perfect horizontal lines between the layers. The vibrancy of each color remains distinct, creating a visual depth that is truly mesmerizing to behold. A final flash freezer sets the entire block, locking in the colors and the chewy texture that makes our multi-layered gummies a favorite for both eyes and palate. Subtle vibrations are applied to the molds, gently loosening the gummy blocks from their forms, ensuring a clean release without any damage to the sharp, square edges. The elasticity test is performed with a tiny needle tip. Watch as the gummy indents and then bounces back instantly, demonstrating the perfect springiness of our formula. The slow-motion wobble of the layers is incredibly satisfying, highlighting the physics-based animation that brings the tactile nature of the candy to life on your screen today. Steam rises from the cooling units as the machinery continues its rhythmic dance. The harmony of motion and sound creates an atmosphere of high-tech industrial perfection and efficiency. Step 2 is now complete. The precision molding and rapid cooling phases have successfully created the foundation for our iconic, surreal, multi-layered gummy candy experience for everyone. As the molds flip, the solid gummy blocks fall gently onto a soft silicone belt, beginning their transition to the next phase of precision cutting and final shaping. The blocks slide down a ramp, their translucent bodies glowing with inner light. This visual brilliance is a hallmark of our advanced material shaders and lighting design. A laser scanner sweeps across the moving blocks, measuring their thickness with micron-level precision to ensure every batch meets our exacting standards for quality and uniformity. Robotic fingers gently realign the blocks, organizing them into a perfect grid. This preparation is vital for the upcoming cutting stage, where precision is the absolute highest priority. We move from the molding zone to the heart of the factory, where mechanical blades and laser technology will transform these large blocks into individual bite-sized gummy masterpieces. Step 3 introduces the ultrasonic cutting system. This massive station is designed to slice through the dense gummy material with surgical precision and zero resistance for perfect edges. A massive slab of multi-layered gummy slides onto the platform. Its sheer scale is impressive, showcasing the vibrant tiers of color in a single, wobbling, translucent mass of candy. The slab jiggles with realistic soft body physics, its translucent layers catching the light as it settles into position, ready for the first set of precision cuts from above. Vertical blades descend with mechanical grace. Their edges are honed to a razor's sharpness, ensuring that every cut will be clean, preserving the integrity of the multicolored layers. The blades enter the gummy material, slicing through the layers without any sticking or tearing. The ultrasonic vibrations ensure a frictionless path through the dense, chewy candy mass. The slab is transformed into long, multi-layered strips. From the side, you can see the perfect alignment of the colors as the blades complete their downward journey with precision. With the first set of cuts finished, the platform rotates 90 degrees. This precise mechanical movement prepares the strips for the final horizontal slicing that will create individual cubes. The horizontal cutters drop down, slicing the strips into perfect individual cubes. Each piece now displays the full 3-layered color spectrum on all 4 of its vertical sides. As the blades retract, the cubes separate with a satisfying pop. Each piece is a miniature architectural wonder of color and texture, perfectly uniform and ready for further processing. The platform begins to vibrate at a high frequency, causing thousands of cubes to bounce in a mesmerizing wave of color as they move toward the sorting exit area. From above, the cubes look like a sea of shifting neon gems. Their translucent bodies reflect and refract the light, creating a dazzling display of color and motion today. The cubes fall in a steady cascade onto the next belt. The sheer volume of production is a testament to the efficiency of our automated ultrasonic cutting and separation system. Observe the bouncy nature of each cube as it lands. The material's resilience and clarity are consistent across every single piece, ensuring a high-quality experience for the final consumer. A robotic vacuum tool selects a single cube for a spot check. It is lifted toward an inspection light to verify the internal clarity and layer alignment of the batch. Satisfied with the quality, the arm returns the cube to the belt. The gentle wobble upon contact reminds us of the candy's perfect texture and its surreal visual appeal. In the background, precision lasers trim the edges of the larger slabs. This combination of mechanical blades and laser technology ensures zero waste and maximum efficiency in our factory. The laser beam slices through the gelatin with incredible heat, leaving a perfectly smooth edge that briefly glows before cooling, adding another layer of precision to our production process. With the ultrasonic cutting and block separation complete, we move closer to the final product. Every cube is now a perfect representation of our multi-layered, surreal candy design. High-speed cameras flash rhythmically, capturing thousands of images per second. This data is used by our AI to identify any imperfections in color, shape, or layer alignment almost instantly. An ionized air blast cleans each cube, removing microscopic fragments and ensuring a pristine surface. This attention to detail is what sets our surreal gummy production apart from the rest. The cubes are funneled into a single row. their vibrant colors forming a continuous line of neon light as they approach the advanced optical sorting and quality control tunnel. The belt accelerates, moving the cubes at high speed.
Nitrogen flush packaging.
This efficiency is necessary to maintain the flow of production, while ensuring that every single piece is inspected with total accuracy. Underneath the belt, intricate gears and rollers work in harmony. The engineering precision required to move these soft, bouncy candies at such high speeds is truly a technical marvel. We approach the UV sorting tunnel, where advanced optical sensors will use light to verify the quality of every gummy. The purple glow marks the transition to step 4. As the cutting area resets for the next batch, we leave behind the mechanical precision of the blades and enter the high-tech world of optical sorting and crystal coating. Step 4 focuses on perfection. Our optical sorting station uses UV light and high-speed air jets to ensure only the most flawless multi-layered gummies make it to your bag. Inside the tunnel, the gummies fluoresce under UV light. This glow isn't just for show. It allows our sensors to detect even the smallest internal defects in the gelatin. The cubes are scanned from every angle as they fall. Our high-speed optical system analyzes color saturation and layer thickness in milliseconds, making decisions faster than the human need. A cube with a slight layer tilt is instantly identified. Even a deviation of a fraction of a millimeter is caught by our rigorous quality control software and marked for rejection. With a doute quat puff of air, the defective cube is deflected from the mainstream. This precise rejection system ensures that only perfect, high-quality candies continue through the line. The perfect cubes continue their journey undisturbed. Their vibrant neon colors are a badge of quality, having passed the most advanced optical inspection process in the modern candy industry. Exiting the tunnel, the approved gummies enter a large rotating drum.